Okay, see Lindelof videos, just really quick. Double angle formulas to verify trigonometric IDs. I'm going to do this one. I'm going to try to keep this really short so you can just kind of bang this out and see how we're going to do this stuff. When you use this double angle stuff, you need to memorize the double angles formula. So here we're asked to verify an ID, right? So the way you normally do this is you do something called a right-hand solution. So what you're going to do is you're going to transform the right-hand side into the left-hand side, if that's possible. So you have to take some stuff that you know. And what I happen to know is that cosine of 2x, right, is the same as cosine squared x minus sine squared x. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to bring this piece down using this identity. So the cosine 2x, I'm going to put an equivalent in, which is cosine squared x minus sine x, right? Then I'm going to bring down all the crap I already had. For example, this sine squared x. And remember, we talked about the fact that you're not going to touch the right-hand side, right? That's the side that you're trying to manipulate to get to. So maybe you can see the answer is really obvious, so that hopefully this video is the shortest one tonight. We have sine squared here, sine squared x here, and we have negative sine squared here. So subtract those, you get 0. And reflexively, cosine squared x is certainly equal to cosine squared x. If your professor was to ask you for proof, here you would use the reflexive property. Reflexive property means a mirror. What you see one way is what you see coming back the other way. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you have questions or comments, please make them. If you have suggestions for stuff that you'd like to see, great. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do. I appreciate it. Peace.